welcome to my channel. Today, I'm reflecting on my first semester in empowerment technology. It's been such a journey, and I thought, why not share my thoughts with you? From what I've learned to the challenges I face. There's so much to talk about. So grab your things, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Okay. So at the start of the semester, I thought we will use computer. Yun lang yung gagamitin. And like, I expected it to be all technical because when I was in grade 10, I was a computer student and all I know about ICT is operating computers. And yung nag-aayos sila, nagbabakbak sila ng mga, hindi ko alam tawag dun, pero may binabakbak sila tapos binabalik nila. Ayun lang alam ko about sa ICT. But honestly, it's been so much more. We've learned how technology impacts our daily lives, from digital tools to understanding how to communicate and collaborate online. It's not just about using technology, it's about using it smartly. Alam niyo ba, hindi talaga ako marunong gumamit ng computer. Dati puro lang ako kartonik-kartonina, pero nung natutunan ko to, I was determined to na matuto akong computer because I need it. Kung hindi ako matututo ngayon, di mas lalong hindi ako matututo pagdating ng panahon. Kaya, kahit mahina ako sa empowerment technology, I tried my best. Now let's talk about my favorite parts of the semester. First up, multimedia creation. We got to explore tools like Canva, PowerPoint, and many more. Honestly, designing presentations or graphic has been so fun and hard at the same time for me. Another thing I loved was learning about online collaboration. Using tools like Google Workspace made teamwork so much easier. Kasi, mas napapadali yun talaga yung work naming magkakagrupo. And let's not forget the discussion about online safety. Learning how to be safe and responsible online made me think twice about my social media habits. I didn't just learn skills, I learned things like I can actually use in my daily life. Totoo yun kasi dati I love sharing my data on Facebook. Sinasabi ko yung number ko, yung birthday ko, ganun. Sinashare ko lahat talaga sa social media. Pero when I learned this in empowerment technology, I learned to be more careful using technology. Kasi sabi din sa empowerment technology, meron yung mga viruses. And yung mga viruses na yan, nakaka-harm siya sa atin. Kaya kailangan natin mag-ingat din. So, when I first heard about the virus, ang akala ko lang na virus lang talaga. I didn't even know the definition of virus. But after I learned it, ayun, naging mas maingat pa ako kasi, di ba, meron yung mga ads kapag pinundot mo yun na magkakaroon na ng virus yung phone mo. That's why I learned to be more careful sa mga text na nagsasend sa akin. Hindi ko na lang talaga sila pinapansin. So, of course, it wasn't all easy. But the good news, practice really makes it perfect. Ngayon, hindi naman ako ganun kagaling mag-edit or gumawa ng PowerPoint, pero natututo na rin ako kasi practice makes perfect nandun. Another challenge was time management, especially when we had group tasks and deadlines. But what helped me was creating a schedule and stick to it. Also, shout out sa mga classmates kong masisipag, being an amazing teammate. Thank you for being an amazing teammate, guys. So, looking back, this semester taught me so much. Not just about technology, but also about teamwork, creativity, and being adaptable. I feel more confident using digital tools, and I've even started using some of these skills outside of the class, like for my projects and hobbies. Alam nyo ba dati, nasubukan ko ng mag-either, and ang aids namin or yung ginagamit namin pang present yung mga kartolina lang, sinusulat-sulatan lang namin kasi I know how to work my art kapag sinusulat lang siya. Pero kapag kasi sa computer, gaya sinabi ko kanina, wala talaga akong computer. And hindi ako marunong gumamit ng computer talaga. Nung grade 10, nakikihiram lang ako ng computer. Tapos nakikituro ng paano mag-edit, paano gumawa ng PPT, gano'n. Kasi ang alam ko lang dati sa computer, kung paano ilipat yung PPT, ayun lang talaga. Ayun lang talaga yung matutunan ko nun. Pero thanks dahil ngayon, nag-i-improve naman na ako. Umu-okay na yung mga skills ko. So, that's my reflection on the first semester of Empowerment Technology. It's been a mix of fun, learning, and growth, and I'm really grateful for the experience. I'm glad I had the chance to learn a lot of things. I didn't just explore the world of technology, but it gave me lessons I will never forget. A lesson that teach me to be brave and confident because of our advocacy campaign. About our advocacy campaign pala, about confidence. Did you know, when I was in grade 10, meron kaming public speaking noon, and it was memorized speech. Hindi ko alam, pero naiiyak ako sa harapan ng stage. Alam mo yung rostrum, sa harapan ng rostrum. Naiiyak na lang ako doon, tapos nanginginig yung hubod ko. Pero ngayon, dati, ang baba ng grade ko doon, 89. I was the lowest one, I think. Ako yung pinakamababa sa mga kaklase ko doon, pero dahil doon, natutunan kong lumaban to face my fears. Para sa susunod, hindi na mababa yung grade ko. Para sa susunod, hindi na ako yung pinakamababa. Kasi, hindi ko na kayang makita yung grade kong bumagsak dahil sa kahiya-hiyaan ko, yung stage fright ko kasi. So, ayun lang. If you're also taking this subject pala, let me know your comment, your favorite part, and if you're new to it pala, trust me, you're in a more exciting journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more vlogs like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!